Hi, friends. Welcome. Today, you'll learn 20 simple English questions and answers that you can use every day. Let's get started. What's your name? My name is Ria. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Japan. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Are you married? No, I'm single. What time is it? It's 10 a.m. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Can I help you? Yes, please. What's your favorite color? I like blue. What are you doing? I'm cooking dinner. Where's the bus stop? It's near the market. How was your day? It was great, thanks. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Can you come with me? Sure, let's go. What's the matter? Nothing, I'm fine. What did you eat for lunch? I ate rice and curry. Where do you live? I live in Tokyo. What's your phone number? It's 987-654-3210. When is your birthday? My birthday is on June 10th. Great job! These questions and answers will help you speak English with confidence. Practice daily, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.